What is going on, traders? We are back in a quick one. Wanted to do a little update on Hyliion, kind of the current outlook and my thesis on what we've been seeing. If you were in the live stream this morning, that was kind of fun. Definitely wasn't planning on having car trouble this morning, but we made the best of it while we waited. We might do that again tonight, or we might start doing that, so be on the lookout. I'll put it in the description. We'll call out a time, we'll go live after the video is posted, and we'll look at some positions that we're looking at. We can look at your positions. We can all just kind of hang out and talk in the chat and look at different stuff together. So, enough of that. Let's talk about what we've been seeing and my thoughts moving forward. So we have likely witnessed the most successful short squeeze of Q3, Q4 of 2020. Everyone remembers the stop loss attack we had at the shareholder meeting. Well, if these guys got away with it one time, why wouldn't they keep trying? Right? And notice, this always happens at market open, for the most part. And the reason behind that is stop losses don't work in the pre or post market, they only work in market hours. And the beginning of market open is normally when there's the most volatility, and so they capitalize on that. They're capitalizing on fear. You know, I posted a video a couple days ago showing how Cramer was, bashing SPACs. Lots of SPACs are running down, as you know. Okay, it's not just Hyliion. There is investor fear that, these SPACs are, dangerous or overvalued, and we're just getting a bad rap because, kind of still people look at us as a SPAC. We've had good catalysts, ticker change, the ringing of the bell at the stock exchange, Fox News, there's lots of good stuff. But there isn't anything quantifiable. It's all, future promises. And so because we've been having stuff like the president getting COVID, stimulus getting canceled, just increased market volatility, we are in a short seller's playground right now. And it's working. I mean, why, like we said, if this worked, this was a money grab, dude. Someone, some group, some people got so rich off this right here. So if you do it once, you're going to try it again. And maybe, now there's other people like, shit, I want to try that too. It's getting beat down. And so this thing is just being shorted heavily. We saw it this morning on the live stream, right when market opened, all of the sell orders coming in. Or we've also seen, when the thing is trading sideways and then it starts to have its run, starts to pop a little bit, and then huge sell orders come, and it's like, really, you're selling right at the beginning of a run? No, you're trying to snuff out the run. You know what I mean? It's obvious. That said, it's speculated. But tell me in the down there your thoughts on this. So what does that mean for us? Well, we have lots of weak hands leaving, lots of stop losses being triggered, just a shitstorm in the overall indexes. SPACs in general getting beat down. And so we're at a point now where lots of these places are just, they're going to have to come out with some PR that's quantifiable. All right? It has to be this many orders of the new truck, or this contract with this company. Something that makes sense could cause this to move finally. If we can get some catalysts that have some money behind it, this thing will be back in the spotlight and we can get a run again. But until that happens, I think that this thing could continue to get beat down. How much lower could it possibly go? I don't know, man. It seems kind of ridiculous how low it is right now. Oh, I also forgot to mention this. This is likely one of the reasons why we had a target on our head. So you see that this thing got shut down in the beginning of August, but this was the #1 stock on Robinhood, and its momentum continued long after this. So I'd be willing to bet that it stayed #1, or at least in the eyes of people that are targeting this, because this isn't a nice website. People use this to exploit the fact that there was lots of Robinhood users playing something. You could see kind of what their fill rate was, and you could exploit that. You can't trade before 9 a.m. or after 6 on Robinhood, and most platforms you can trade before that and after that. So didn't think we had a target on our head. Here you go. But this is why you manage your risk. You don't put all your eggs in one basket. Still lots of good plays to be had out there, and we've been talking about some of them, and we will continue to. But guard yourself, traders. It is weird out there. Learn from your mistakes and never stop trading, man. Don't let fucking short sellers ruin your day and make you quit. All right? This is part of the game. Just understand it. Be able to recognize it. Always manage your risk. Hope you enjoyed. Like the thing, do the stuff. You know what you think in the down there. Questions, concerns, backholder therapy down there. Going to be starting a Discord soon, so look out for that. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just your engineer guy. I'll catch you in the next one.